always find your way to higher ground.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Home with Kelly P. In today's video, I am working on my front porch, giving it a clean and a decorate for fall, and then I'll be coming inside to work on my entryway and an entryway table. So if you enjoy these type of videos, then keep on watching. Makes a world of difference, so you make me strong. I absolutely love to decorate my porch for all the different seasons, and fall is one of my favorites. But this year I was disappointed because I couldn't find the normal items that I usually put out here, like bales of hay or corn stalks or any of that. I did manage to find some pumpkins, as you will see, and I was happy that I got those. So everything else I'm going to be using on my front porch is all things that I've had for years, such as this beautiful wreath. I made it a few years ago just from a garland that I found at Michael's. So I'm just using things that are already in my fall decor stash. You're the first thing in the morning. I love the layered rug look that I see all over Pinterest and YouTube and Instagram. So I really wanted to try it this year, and I got this rug, this buffalo check rug, off Amazon. I was thrilled with it. But as you will see, my rug is too big. So this was a fail, but I'll find a place to use this rug somewhere else. So I'm just going to continue on with cleaning my front porch and adding in my fall decor, and I'll be sure to check back in with you guys a bit later. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. So now I'm going to head back inside and start working on my front hallway. It's very small, as you can see, and then head on down to my entryway table to work on that. But here I'm just trying to decide what color pillow I want to put here. And then this wreath that I have, I love it. It's from IKEA, I believe. I think I've had it for a few years. So what I decided to do was just add in some of the picks that I had used on my dining room table, because the dining room is right opposite this. But I want to save some of these picks for my living room garland as well. So I thought I would just add in a few of these flowers just to tie everything in together. So here's my hallway table that I was talking about earlier. As you can see, I started to decorate it, but after a couple of days, I really wasn't feeling it. So here I'm just trying to decide what to do, and what better way than to just start right from scratch. So I decided to take everything off, give it a wipe down, and start from the bottom up. I've never done this. I usually start at the top, work my way down, but I thought, let's try something different and work from the bottom up. I'm going to give a shout out to my friend Maria from the Artsy Cupcake here on YouTube and Instagram. She actually is a graphic designer, and she recently made these free printables, and they're posted on her blog, and I am going to leave a link to that below. But she made this pumpkin patch sign in a recent video, and it is so cute. So thank you, Maria, for the printable and the idea. Today's video is part of a Friends Hop, which is a circle of girls that got together to do all different rooms in our house to decorate and clean for fall. And we'll leave a link to the next channel in the hop in the description box below, but don't head over there yet until you finish watching my video and see how my front porch and hallway turned out. But it's hosted by Nicole from Nicole Northgarden Home. So thanks, Nicole, for getting us together once again. So once you finish my video, you will click on the link in my description box and head over to the next channel. But as you can see, all I do is just keep playing with the table and the placement of all the items until I find something that works for me. Do any of you guys do that? I play with it forever, it seems, and even after a couple of days, I know it's going to change. But let me know in the comments below if this is what you guys do as well. And here's my front porch all finished. It's all cleaned, wiped down. It looks so much better. And these pumpkins I just picked up the other night. I love this green color. I think it's so cool. And the mums are from Costco, and they're gorgeous. I decided to add in these pillows that I've had for years. I just felt that, you know, with the color of the pumpkins and the flowers, I thought it worked very well. I know they're not exactly fall, but I wasn't about to go out and buy some pillows just for the sake of putting them out. And I decided to use this buffalo check rug underneath this little table in between the two chairs, and I think it looks perfect here. And how about this pumpkin? It's so pretty. What a cool color. And I just placed some little white pumpkins around it as well. And here's another look. I think all the colors, they work so well together, and I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. Now we'll head inside to my front entryway. You can see I chose the green pillow here, and I replaced the wreath back on the wall after adding in some of those pretty little picks and this ribbon that I've had on hand for years. And what I want to say is that you don't need to spend a lot of money to make your home feel cozy and warm. Just shop your home. It's amazing how you can change something around, give it new life in another spot. Oh yes, Gussie was giving me orders here because he was not having any of this. I wasn't paying attention. And here's my entryway table, my hallway table. I love the way this turned out now. You can see I did switch a few things around off camera. I moved that big white pumpkin up and moved the family photos down. But I love the way this turned out now. So almost everything on this table are things that I have had in my fall stash for years. I think I only purchased a couple of things. One was the lamb's ear picks and this white pumpkin that I got from Walmart, I think it was this year. But everything else I have had, including this blanket that is in this basket on the bottom shelf. It's actually one of those blanket scarves that I wear at winter time. But it works as a blanket in this basket. So it's amazing what you can come up with to use in your home. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope that you got some inspiration to decorate your front porch and your entryway for the fall season. And if you're coming over from one of the other ladies' channels, hello and welcome. My name is Kelly, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and think about giving it a thumbs up. And if you are new here and new to my channel, you'll think about subscribing as well and joining my growing YouTube family. Now that you've finished my video, don't forget to click the link in my description box and hop on over to the next channel and see what the next lady has up her sleeve. And until I talk to you in my next video, guys, I hope you have a great week. Bye!
I've been waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my